Have you ever wondered what the future of smartphones looks like? With so many new devices hitting the market each year, it's hard to imagine how a company like Apple could continually push the envelope while maintaining its signature design and high-quality performance. Well, what if I told you that Apple's latest release, the iPhone 16e, might just be the perfect blend of cutting-edge technology and affordability? Today, we're going to take a deep dive into this new model that could change the way we think about smartphones. Is it truly the future of mobile tech, or just another iteration of something we've seen before? Let's explore. In September, Apple unveiled its highly anticipated iPhone 16 series, a step forward in both performance and intelligence. The iPhone 16 Pro dazzled us with its sleek titanium frame, powerful A18 Pro chip, and advanced camera features. At the same time, the standard iPhone 16 impressed users with long-lasting battery life and excellent camera capabilities. However, Apple didn't stop there. They also introduced the iPhone 16e, a model designed to give users an affordable entry into the iPhone 16 family without sacrificing too much on performance. But the question is, does it live up to the hype? One of the first things that stand out about the iPhone 16e is its design. At first glance, you may think it's just another iPhone, sleek, elegant, and modern. And you wouldn't be wrong. But when you take a closer look, you'll notice the careful attention to detail that Apple has put into making sure this affordable model doesn't feel like a budget phone. The iPhone 16e comes with an aerospace-grade aluminum frame, which not only makes it durable, but also gives it that premium, high-end feel Apple is known for. It's available in matte black and white, which enhances its minimalist charm while remaining stylish and sophisticated. The 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display, which is protected by Apple's ceramic shield, ensures that this phone can take a few drops, offering up to 4 times better drop resistance compared to older models. This compact and ergonomic design is perfect for those who prefer a classic, elegant aesthetic without the need for any flashy gimmicks. Now, let's talk performance. At the heart of the iPhone 16e is the new A18 chip, which Apple claims provides significant improvements in both speed and efficiency. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or using AI-powered features, the A18 chip ensures that everything runs smoothly without lag. This makes the iPhone 16e feel fast and responsive, no matter what you're doing. It's a future-proof chip, which means you can expect the iPhone 16e to remain fast and functional for years to come. And if that weren't enough, Apple's in-house C1 modem, designed specifically for the iPhone 16 series, takes connectivity to the next level. The C1 modem is all about efficiency, ensuring stable 5G connectivity while optimizing battery life. Speaking of battery life, the iPhone 16e is powered by an intelligent design that allows for up to 26 hours of video playback, an incredible feat for a device of this size. But what truly sets this device apart is its integration with Apple's cutting-edge AI, which is smarter than ever. Apple's AI, which spans across the entire iPhone 16 lineup, is designed to help users with everything from photo editing to writing emails. The iPhone 16e, in particular, opens up these AI-powered features to a broader audience. Imagine being able to clean up distractions from your photos with a single tap, or having your emails automatically summarized by AI for a more concise message. Even more impressive, Siri now has ChatGPT integration, offering expert-level suggestions for everything from planning dinner to making a grocery list. This means that Siri can not only help you with day-to-day tasks, but it can also provide intelligent insights based on a more comprehensive understanding of your needs. And when it comes to privacy, Apple's AI is designed with security at its core, ensuring that any data shared through these interactions is protected. One of the most exciting updates to the iPhone 16e is the camera system. Apple has introduced a 48-megapixel fusion camera that can function as both a standard wide lens and a 2x telephoto lens, all within the same module. No longer will you need to carry around multiple lenses to capture great photos. This all-in-one solution offers stunning clarity and versatility. From high-resolution shots to beautiful portrait mode images, the iPhone 16es camera is a game-changer. And for those who love capturing video, 4K video recording ensures that your videos are crisp and clear, even in low-light conditions. The front camera has also received a significant upgrade, allowing for professional-level selfies and video calls with improved autofocus and performance in darker environments. But it's not just about what's on the inside. The iPhone 16e brings some much-needed convenience to the table. Apple has shifted to USB-C charging across all its devices, and the iPhone 16e is no exception. Now, whether you're charging your MacBook, iPad, or iPhone, you can use the same cable for all your devices. This is a welcome change for those tired of carrying around multiple charging cables. The phone also supports fast charging and wireless charging, so it's more versatile than ever before. Another notable feature is the Action button, which allows you to quickly launch your favorite app, activate the camera, or even use Apple Intelligence for quick searches, all with a single press. Of course, safety and emergency features are a huge part of any modern smartphone, and the iPhone 16e is packed with advanced technology in this area as well. Crash detection can alert emergency services in the event of a severe car accident. An emergency SOS via satellite allows you to connect with first responders even when you're in a remote area with no cellular service. It also includes Find My updates that share your real-time location with loved ones, even if you're offline. So what's the final verdict? If you're someone who's been holding off on upgrading your phone because of price concerns, the iPhone 16e is an excellent option. It offers many of the same features as the higher-end iPhone 16 models, including the A18 chip, a high-resolution camera, and advanced AI, all at a much more accessible price point. While it may not have all the bells and whistles of the Pro models, it certainly provides a solid balance of performance and value for anyone looking to enter the Apple ecosystem without breaking the bank. The iPhone 16e is an ideal choice for those upgrading from older models, offering better performance, smarter AI, and an impressive battery life, all while maintaining Apple's signature quality. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.